So Kim and Gaga, that's it. And anybody else, no, I'm sorry, I can't. Liz, possibly.
Right.
Sometimes she gets me upset too much.
Right.
You need to find out if the Raiders are having walk-on tryouts.
If the what?
The Raiders are having walk-on tryouts.
Why?
So you can be a football player.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Hey, oh yeah, dog. That'd be great. And the Raiders need some help,
you would really
dog.
leave your girl?
I would, dog. You know, and I just got. You said keep it honest and be real. I am. You know what I mean? And maybe.
Do your girl have one pass and she can leave you? For
LL Cool J.
So if she left you for LL Cool J, would you kind of understand?
No, hell no. I would go after him, dog.
But if she came on and she said the same thing, like I'll leave chat for. If she said the words, would that get you upset?
Very upset, dog. We
this
have
dude got the quadruple standard.
Yeah, I do, man. But you know, she's not on the radio show. She doesn't work for.
But
Big
this isn't radio.
This is not radio. You're right.
You're not saying this.
I'm not just saying this for radio, but I'm saying that she doesn't have the.
You don't even know her.
Because you know what, it's just something that we connected when she was here, and you know what, like if she was smart and she was honest.
What part did you connect with?
She would say that
her booty?
I got her tattooed on me, and I know that emotionally flattered her.
So are you connected, and do you love Tony Danza as much? Because you got
Tony
Danza tattooed on you.
Not at all. Not at all. Now we know why I got Tony. I lost a bet.
Right, but if you
I lost the bet. I got Kim just a la brava. Just for me, I got it.
Go ahead.
You
know, a la brava. Like you know, I just did it because I wanted to.
I was gonna ask for one of those a la bravas with cheese.